So here we are, we're actually at this place called Starbucks. I'm sure you've heard of that before. We're at this beach here. I'll put the name just here, the name of the beach. We'll fly the drone. Seems to be a bit repetitive, this coffee, drone, coffee, all that stuff. It's the beach just through here. We just come to Starbucks because this is a really good spot to go to use the bathroom. Much cleaner than, you know, on the side of the road where there's toilet blocks. So Gina's probably going to get a coffee because the one we had this morning tasted like warm milk. So we're going to get a coffee or a frappe or something, and then we're going to go over to the beach just here, which is like literally 50 meters. Now this area, I'll put the name down here. This is where all the resorts are. Very, very different to where we're staying in Georgetown. Georgetown's very old and historic. Here it's all resorts and beaches. So this is nice change from Georgetown. And yeah, I'll give you guys a bit of a look. If you want to see any of my other videos from Penang, check them out. I've made a couple now. And yeah, hope you enjoy them. This is a great Starbucks outdoor area. Look at this. The outdoor lounge. The beach is literally just here. The Starbucks cafe up there. The beach. I guess I don't need to go on the beach just yet. I can just fly it from over here. But I've got to make sure it doesn't rain. Look at that. See the clouds behind me? Nasty. Anyway, I'll fly it from over here. So good. There's no tourists. After Penang, in a couple of days' time, we're actually off to Boracay in the Philippines. It's going to be a bit exhausting getting there because we have to fly from Penang to Singapore, then from Singapore to Manila, then from Manila to Cataclan and catch the ferry. The ferry to Boracay. It's going to be exhausting. But I can't complain because we're on holidays. But look at this beach. There's nobody. There's a couple of people, but that's about it. Everyone's in Georgetown. Serenity. It's beautiful. No people, no crowds. And you'll see in Boracay when we go there how packed it is. I love it. So we have a bit of a crisis situation here. Trouble in paradise. They don't have any beer. So I'm drinking one of these
healthy option.
Plus 100 isotonic drink. Not quite the same. We just found this little hut we're sitting in, and we're just sitting observing the water. Just chilling out. You had a fresh coconut juice.
Oh, that's amazing.
It was really good. It was only a little one. It's this one here. But yeah, we're just in this little little beach hut. You can't really see the water. Just found this garden. It's called Penang Avatar Secret Garden. So secret, no one's even here. Oh, look, python with all the heads. Fuck, if there's a snake here, I am gonna run so quickly. It's one of my pet hates. Oh, so down there might be some seafood, honey. Not sure. Yeah, we have no idea where we are. Yeah, this all lights up at night time. They've got all lights in the trees. Or LEDs. We just thought we'd stop off here and have a look. One of the taxi drivers said he recommended it. But no one's here except for us. So cool here, and I've got my own little swing chair. Yeah, having fun? The taxi driver should have told us to come at night time. Because it's when the garden's all illuminated. And there might be some people here then. So if you're here, come at night time. It's called the Penang Avatar Secret Garden. Sometimes when it's so hot, you have to escape the heat. Look at my face, look how tanned I am. I haven't even tried to get any sun. So we've actually come into Tesco, which is like Tesco Lotus. Oh! You stopped the trolley.
Because it's this area, where are you going?
Yeah, so we thought we'd come in here to cool down and check out the local supermarket. Have a look how big this place is. So in Thailand they have Tesco, and in here they have Tesco too. And you can buy, it's not just a supermarket, you can buy TVs, electronics, everything. Look at the eggs.